story started in February 2022 when we had the Red Sea expedition.
In the 21st century, we may have the impression that we have already explored the oceans and that there is no more room for discoveries. But then to find something like the blue hole, globally unique feature, is still a surprise. The journey of the National Center of Wildlife from south to north, the Red Sea, was really unique because it allowed us to discover these blue holes. Blue holes are basically rings of coral that we see from the surface, but below the surface what we have is a cylinder that rises from depths of 700 to 900 meter deep.
Oh wow, that's gonna be so epic, huh?
Whales and dolphins often come back to the same space. It's such new information for us.
We are lucky to be here in the blue holes because we are the first people here doing the dive and discover the blue hole and to see what's in the blue hole. We want to know more about the diversity of the marine.
We are going to study the physical parameters, which is the current, the waves, the temperature.
We have to study it and know it to start to understand it and respect it more.
When the top of it is full of biodiversity, specifically different type of healthy coral reef. And if you go down deep, you're gonna see different type of biodiversity.
That is super interesting and almost like a natural laboratory for us to study. One of the main challenges we focused was that the navigational maps or how deep some of these areas are within this labyrinth of coral reefs hasn't been explored since 1888. We're truly exploring things that haven't really been seen for well over 100 years. This is really truly exploration of this area of the Southern Red Sea to dive deep and characterize them from underneath, take samples and understand the environment down there.
Come to the end of my career with a major discovery is certainly very rewarding. Not just self-rewarding, but also rewarding in terms of contributing to the inventory of jewels and assets that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has as a legacy for the citizens and for the world.
Those are very important discovery to us. I think they cover more than 10, but now we're gonna discover how many we have in the future. Now I think it's time to discover those blue holes.